Hey everyone, it's Kathleen the Singing Cat. So I'm here to do my packing video because tomorrow I will be going to Disney World, which by the time this goes up, I'll either already be in Disney World or I'll be home from Disney World. I just thought while I was spending my night before Disney World to just pack and show you all what I do. I first start off while packing a few days in advance, just gathering everything that I need, specifically things that I'm not going to be using before I leave. And for clothes, I normally roll my clothes when I actually pack them, but when I'm doing the early packing stage, I just fold them into outfits so I can see what I still need, what works, and things like that. Another thing about today is I'm doing carry-on only for Walt Disney World, and it's a week. So I don't know how I'm going to do it, but because of airports and I have to be at the airports several hours before my flight and they don't let you check your bags until like 2 hours before your flight, I don't want to sit at the awkward part of the airport. I want to go in, maybe get a massage, go to a nice restaurant, all that other fun stuff. I don't want to be by the ticket counter. It's really boring there. I've waited near there and it's just no fun. None of the stuff's there and you have like tons of luggage. So because I have to be there so early, I am doing carry-on only. I found a great luggage, which is Away luggage, that I'm really happy about. I'll post a link below with $20 off any purchase of a luggage, which will be cool for you because you can get some really awesome luggage, but hey, it gives me 20 bucks to go buy more luggage. Sweet. I also made a review of the Away luggage, which I'll put a link in the description below so you can check that out as well. And the reason why I'm not wearing any Mickey ears is because I'm going to be packing them, so why wear them now? I will also be bringing a backpack that will be my Disney bag, but also my personal item for when I'm on the flight. So without further ado, let's get looking at my luggage.
The great thing about this luggage is that it has two compartments. On one side is where you compress, and then the other side you zip up. On the compression side is where I'm putting all of my clothes, and over here in the zippered area I'm putting all my shoes, snacks, and any other miscellaneous things I may need to put in there. And the perfect thing is that there's space where I can have extra souvenirs. Over on the clothing side, you can see I have a new pair of shorts, which I haven't even taken the tags off, so I haven't worn them yet, so they're nice and new. And as you can see, I have only 3 packing cubes because I have such limited space in my suitcase. But seriously, major pro tip, packing cubes just keep everything separate, and the fact that I'm actually going to Disney World and Universal in both of their hotels, it actually helps me keep track of what clothes I'm using for which part. As you can see, I already have all of my outfits put together, and I have about 3 t-shirts for every pair of leggings. I have many pairs of leggings, but I only have so much room, so I chose pairs of leggings that would go with at least 2, if not 3 different shirts. Normally I would bring shorts and a t-shirt as my sleepwear, but just to save room I also chose a night shirt. And it might be weird, but I also pack 1 extra day's worth of underwear just in case I need it. I know it means I'm a little crazy, but it works for me. And one of my biggest tips is to roll your clothes to create more space. Now that I have everything rolled, I have put them into my 3 packing cubes. And as you can see right here, I did put one of my leggings in there and some underwear and a pair of socks. And I folded my bras together so that they fit nicely in the bag. And as you can see, my other 2 packing cubes are full of my regular clothes and just anything that can fit into those 3 cubes. And as you can see, everything fits nicely on this side. And there's even a little space there, so if there's something extra, I can put it right there. And now that everything is packed, I'm going to take these buckles and buckle them together. Then I'm going to tighten on the straps to then compress to make more room. And on the other side is pretty much where I put everything else. First off, we have 2 pairs of Tieks flats. They're really well known and known as to be the most comfortable flats you'll ever wear. They're quite expensive, but completely worth it, especially for a trip like Disney World where you're going to be walking a lot. And I have 2 pairs, one pink and one black, pretty much work for every outfit. And of course a pair of flip-flops. And another big pro tip is to bring gallon-sized Ziploc bags. This one for breakfast bars, this one for Band-Aids, and this one for personal toiletries. And these makeup removers are perfect because they're 7 for 7 days. And this poncho that I got at Amazon is great because since I'm going on a flight and won't need a poncho, it fits perfectly in my bag. And this is my electronics bag. In here I'll put all of my electronics after I get there due to regulations with TSA. And here is where I will plug in all of my USB charging ports, so it's really convenient. As I mentioned earlier, I have Ziploc bags, sizes in gallon and quart size, because there's so many different things that you can use them for, such as leftover food or wet clothes. And this is my universal Gryffindor lanyard. It's what I use to carry my express pass and my park tickets because they will ask to see them all the time, so it's worth the money. And here is my Susan Mallory makeup case. She's a romance author that I got some free swag, and this just carries everything that's not a liquid, even some deodorant, gloss. Because both my mom and my sister snore like crazy, these are earplugs that actually mold to the inside of your ear. And of course my Etsy finds like a hair clip and also Mickey ears that actually clip into your hair. And finally my iPhone telephoto lens. And as you can see, everything is zipped up and fits nice in my case and at the right weight allowance. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And for more videos, please click subscribe. And in my next video, I'll talk about what goes in my personal item. But until then, thank you so much for watching and see y'all real soon.